Highlight for the day, maybe for the week. First of all, the VWAP. That's this white line coming in. Let me show this on a full chart. Let me back this away. First of all, we talked about it worked as support once. It works as support twice. The conventional wisdom is the more a level works, the stronger it is. Couldn't be further from the truth. The more a level works, the more it's almost like hinges on a door. The more you're running into it, the looser and looser those hinges are getting. Sooner or later, the door is going to fly open. In this case, the support is not going to work. So you have to understand when you're looking at a support area, no matter what you have at VWAPs, it's the only kind of mathematical type of formula line in the sand that I'll respect because it does weight volume and it is respected a lot. The point is, you got to see, did it work? Yes. Whether you were on the team or not. Did it work? Yes. Whether you were on the team or not. And there were qualifiers. Big sellers came into it. If you didn't take it and then you took it here, you wore it. And then you look and you say, it worked here and it worked here. You missed it. You missed it. And here you took it. So you missed the winner. You missed the winner. You took the loser. So instead of being 2-0 or 2-1 or 1-0, you're 0-1 because you didn't realize the higher and higher risk trying to play that area. And another thing happened. We had a chasing iceberg come in. Generally, they're magnets, but this guy was chasing it, which means he was willing to go lower and lower. He was doing it with limit orders, these little gray dashes. He was doing it on a retracement here with these red lines. And once he's doing that, you wait for him to get filled, which he finally did here around 92, half 93 even. And that's a bottom. But we've called it as a temporary bottom because of this price action has turned this thing bullish to bearish a little bit. So it's having trouble maintaining the same strength because of catching a lot of longs, buying it all the way down. So you have some baby birds that are short underneath this VWAP. From why? From trying to play it there. As soon as this iceberg reappeared, that put the top on this pullback. But you could see them. Well, you could actually see it down here a little bit better. This iceberg, this iceberg, this iceberg came down in here and filled them. We knew it from the same order number and wasn't a big blast out of the hole, couple 2.5 points, but it did mark the temporary bottom. This entire sequence, though, creates what we call B2B moments. In this case, bullish to bearish. Can't just sell it. You could be in a hole, but you start thinking of playing it from the short side. This iceberg came in, chasing it, and it seems like the selling is getting a little bit more aggressive. So that's how you tie in understanding context and how often a support level would have worked. This could have been a VWAP. This could have been your support level, a pivot, whatever you use for support or resistance, always take into context. Did it already work? Because the market doesn't know if you were on the team or not. Did it already work? And keep that in managing your risk, because the more it works, the less it's going to work. Conventional wisdom will say, this is great support. Why? Because look at how much it's been support. Yeah, look at how many people then are going to play it for support. The more they play it for the support, the more people get trapped, long at support. When you're long at support, and a lot of people are long at support, there's a lot of sellers above support. A lot of sellers above support, it can't go up. So popular support, that's when it doesn't work. And that's a way to make it popular. Have it work a few times. Stay safe.